morning student. Jai Jinendra. Today we start a new chapter. This one is the second chapter, polynomial. To start polynomial chapter, first we clear two types of concept. First one is the constant and second one is the variable. Constant and variable. This one is not change. Change according to condition. According to condition. ये दो कंसेप्ट अगर हमें समझ में आ जाते हैं तो हम इस चैप्टर को पॉलिनोमियल को इजीली समझ सकते हैं. कांस्टेंट ऐसी चीज जो पूरे टाइम सेम रहती है, कभी भी चेंज नहीं होती. चेंज मतलब उसमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं आएगा. लाइक दैट इफ देयर इज 3 5 7 100 दीज ऑल आर फिक्स्ड है कि ये फिक्स है, इसमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं होगा. और वेरिएबल लाइक दैट x y z a b c d p q r any of them, any of a to z, any of, and value will be changed according to the condition. क्या कंडीशन है, किसके थ्रू होगा, कैसे होगा, वो हम बाद में देखेंगे. बट कांस्टेंट मतलब कभी भी चेंज नहीं होगा एंड वेरिएबल मतलब चेंजेस, वैल्यू विल बी वेरी करेगी. वेरिएबल मतलब वेरी करेगी, कंडीशंस के ऊपर डिपेंड है, कभी भी वेरी कर सकती है. और इन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन जो होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड टर्म. वेरिएबल और कांस्टेंट दोनों का जो कॉम्बिनेशन होता है दिस वन इज कॉल्ड द टर्म. टर्म मतलब आपका पर्टिकुलर वेरिएबल और कांस्टेंट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. लाइक एग्जांपल 3x 5y 4z all of these are the terms. All of these are the terms. If there is the only x, this also consider the term because we put before this 1 and 1 is constant, so 1 into x, this also is called the terms. So constant means not change, variable means change according to condition, and the combination of these two in the multiplication, this is called the term. Now if this one is the constant, this one is variable, if the constant and variable combine by any operator like that, plus minus divide, plus minus and divide, this is called polynomial. This is called polynomial. अगर कोई भी वेरिएबल और कांस्टेंट कंबाइंड होते हैं बाय ऑपरेटर मींस प्लस माइनस एंड डिवाइड, दिस इज कॉल्ड द पॉलिनोमियल. Understood? Now we move on the types of the polynomial, but before this we have to find the general form of polynomial. General form of polynomial. General form of polynomial is says that there is the a0 x 0, a1 x1, a2 x2, a3 x3 and so on, an x की power n. There are n is real number, positive real number. n is positive real numbers. A implies to constant, and x implies to variable, and n implies to real number. This is the general form of polynomial. In this, x की power 0 means 1. So we have to not to write this, only simple to write a0, then a1 x की power 1, a2 x की power 2, a3 x की power 3 and so on, n x की power n, where n is the real number, positive real numbers, always positive value. A is constant, x is the variable. This is the general form of polynomial. Now we move on our next part or next portion. This is degree and coefficient. Degree and coefficient. Degree, there is the like that x plus 2, highest power of variable. Degree is called the highest power of variable. Highest power, there is the variable is x, so power 1. Now degree is equals to 1. After this, x square plus 3x cube plus 4x. In this, highest power of variable is 3 because variable is x and x highest power is 3. So degree is equals to 3. Now in case x square and y square, in this case there are two types of variable x and y and both have the degree 2. So the degree is 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Concept clear, degree? Now we move on to the coefficient. 2x plus 4y plus 6 is equals to 0. This is the types of the polynomial. In this there are two variables. First one is the x and second one is the y, and 6 is says that the constant. So coefficient to implies the variable, to show the variable, to represent the variable. मतलब कोफिशिएंट एक ऐसी चीज है कि वेरिएबल को वो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है या वेरिएबल को वो फ्रंटली रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. तो अगर मुझे बोले कि x का कोफिशिएंट बताओ तो x को कौन रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? 2. सो द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज 2. इन केस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y इज 4. इफ in this type of polynomial, if we says that find the coefficient of y square, so we have to check out there is x square, x, z and y, but there is no to the y square. So y square coefficient is 0. y square coefficient is 0. अगर कोई वेरिएबल उस पॉलिनोमियल में नहीं है और उसका कोएफिशिएंट पूछा जाए तो क्या होगा? 0 होगा. उसका कोएफिशिएंट क्या होगा? 0. x स्क्वायर कोएफिशिएंट 3, x कोएफिशिएंट 4, z कोएफिशिएंट 6 एंड y कोएफिशिएंट 1. y के आगे कुछ भी नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई 1. If says that the find the coefficient of y, then y coefficient is -3. अगर माइनस में है तो माइनस कंसीडर किया जाएगा, क्योंकि जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल क्या पढ़ी थी, सारे के सारे वैल्यूज कैसी होनी चाहिए, पॉजिटिव. सो इफ देयर इज नेगेटिव देन कंसीडर टू द कोएफिशिएंट. क्लियर, डिग्री एंड कोएफिशिएंट. नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू द आर. Types of the polynomial. Types of the polynomial divides in two categories. First one is the terms basis, and second one is the degree basis. First one is terms basis and second one is degree basis. Terms, we earlier studied about. Terms means the combined combination of variable and constant, and degree we also study about degree. So if degree is 1, degree is 1, that means this is the like that x, yeah 3x, yeah 5y, yeah -2y, etc. These all are the example of degree 1, because there is the variable that implies the power 1. So this is the degree 1. X square plus 2, y square plus 3y plus 6. These all are the example of degree 2, because there is a variable having the highest value 2. X cube plus 2x square plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. Variable having x, that is the highest value, highest power 3, so the degree 3. On the basis of terms, if one variable, because there is the only one variable, two variable, there are two variable x and y, three variable, 3x square, 4y and 2z. So if there is a one variable, that is called one variable, there are two, that means two variable, there are three, that means three variable, highest power 1, degree 1, highest power 2, degree 2, and highest power 3, degree 3. Now we have to say that if degree 1, this is called linear. If degree 1, this is called the linear. If degree 2, this is called the quadratic. This one is called quadratic. If degree 3, this is called the cubic, and more than degree 3, that is called the polynomial. That is called the polynomial. Means degree 1 called linear, degree 2 quadratic, degree 3 cubic, and more than degree 3 called the polynomial. If variable 1, that is called the monomial. That is called monomial. If variable 2, binomial. If variable 3, that is called the trinomial. One variable monomial, two variable binomial, three variable trinomial, and more than 3, that is called the polynomial. That is called polynomial. So this is the basic division of polynomial on the basis of degree and the basis of terms. Now today's your homework is exercise 2.1. In this exercise you have to solve the questions that is the find out the degree of polynomial, find out the terms of polynomial, find out the coefficient of polynomial, how which coefficient of this, which coefficient of this, which type of polynomial this polynomial है या नहीं है. तो these all types of the questions 2.1 is a very simple exercise, so you have to solve it at your home. And now after this, in next class we have to move on a real chapter about polynomial, regarding the zeros of the polynomial, regarding to the identities of the polynomial, long division method, how to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, etc. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.